Hello guys, I'm back again and today we will review Plum body care products. So it's a gift set and it has three products. The first one is body wash, then body mist and body oil. So let's open this. So I brought this in last December on Christmas because office में वो secret Santa वाला drama हो रहा था and I'm so scared कि मुझे क्या मिलेगा. So I brought this.
और ये मैं अब खोल रही हूँ so you have idea कि मैं कितनी ले रही हूँ. So this is the packaging. Let's open this.
Guys, this is the packaging and this is the body wash. So I have used earlier and this has thick texture and smell like heaven. Next है body oil. So ये मैं first time use करूँगी. Let's open this.
Hours later.
गाइस मैं इतनी देर से ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि इसमें से निकल क्यों नहीं रहा. इसमें एक लिड है, अब निकलेगा. अब ट्राई करते हैं बॉडी ऑयल. ज्यादा ही आ गया क्या? इजीली ब्लेंड हो रहा है, ग्रीसी नहीं लग रहा भाई. Surely you will smell like a cupcake. See, glow टाइप का आ रहा है एक अलग से. I don't know कैमरे में दिख रहा है या नहीं. It is lightweight, not greasy. Blend easily बहुत हो रहा है. Fragrance. Surely you will smell like a cupcake. Body mist. Let's open this. So it's perfect for everyday fragrance. This is also long lasting because I've used their perfume. These are my favorite and I keep this in my office bag every time because I love the fragrance. And yeah, so hope you like the video. Follow for more. Bye.